Hi, third graders. Mrs. Peters here, and I want to talk to you today about the November calendar grid and give you a chance to do some work on the 15th, the 16th, and the 17th. Remember on our calendar grid observation chart, we're recording the date, the color, the height, and the length of the figure, the area of each figure, and then whether or not it's a square. Let's take a look at Sunday, November 15th. What is the height of that figure? And what is the length of that figure? So 2 is the height. That's the up and down side or dimension. And then across is the length. That's 6. So you could say our height is 2 and our length is 6. Well, if the height is 2 and the length of 6, what is the area of that figure? Remember, area is the number of units it takes to cover a figure. Well, we can think of that as 2 times 6 equals 12. It takes 12 square units to cover that figure. So when we record under the date 11-15, the color of the figure was green, the height and the length are recorded as a multiplication equation or expression. The area is 12, and was it a square? Nope, doesn't have all 4 sides being equal. Let's take a look at the 16th. What is the height of that purple figure, and what is the length of that purple figure? Well, the height, that up and down dimension, is 3 units, 1, 2, 3. The length, or the across dimension, is 7 units. I see 5 and 2 more. So I could see pretty quickly that it was 7. So the height is 3 and the length is 7. So what would the area of that figure be? Well, again, we can think of 3 rows of 7, or 3 times 7 is 21. So the area of that figure is 21. So recording again on our observation chart, on 11-16, the color was purple. The height times the length is 3 times 7. The area is 21. And again, it was not a square. All right, let's take a look at the 17th. Think about what you've learned and know so far. I want you to stop and figure out, what is the height of that figure? What is the length of that figure? And once you know the height and the length, what multiplication equation would match that, and what would the area of that figure be? Good work. Well, hopefully you found out on the 17th, the color, of course, was blue. The height was 5 and the length was 5. That equation would be 5 times 5, which would make the area 25 units. And then, yes, it is a square because it has all 4 sides being equal. Thank you, good job, and we'll see you soon.